Welcome to a new topic, actio officio of past indefinite tense. So here we will discuss the past indefinite tense. When something happened in the past, when some action is happening in the past, it is called past tense. So here is the simple formula: object, then the auxiliary verb of the past continues in was, were, then verb third form, and in past participle, then by, and then subject. And as we already discussed in a detail, that every indefinite tenses will take the next continuous tense auxiliary verb. So past indefinite will take the auxiliary verb of past continuous in was, were. And here is the rules. Was used with the singular subject, were was used with the plural subject, or main verb changing into third form in past participle. This is an active officio, third form the verb will use it. So this formula is for every active officio. Okay. And third form of main verb will be third form the verb. Was will take this singular subject yani I, he, she, it, and singular noun. Were plural subject in you, we, they, and plural noun. Okay, let's come to the example. Now let's start with the example. Active voice. I wrote a letter. I subject, wrote verb second form, letter object. I wrote a letter. This is the active voice. I subject, wrote verb second form, and a letter. Now come to the officio voice. A letter, and then auxiliary verb. A singular. That's why we are using the was. Then verb third form and written. Then why, and then the subject. The subject is I, but that will convert it into me, because here is the place is the objective. The place is object, that's why we are using the objective case. In me, I will convert it into me. A letter was written by me. A letter, object, then auxiliary verb was, letter was singular, the way was, then the written third form, then by, and then the subject, me. And I is the subject, but here we will use the objective case, me. Okay, this is the example. Let's proceed with many sentences that you will understand better. Okay, this sentence I explain it in detail, but next I will go quickly. Ali wrote a letter. Ali wrote a letter. A letter was written by Ali. A letter was written by Ali. She cleaned the room. She cleaned the room. The room was cleaned by her. The room was cleaned by her. They played football. They played football. Football was played by them. Ahmad opened the door. Ahmad opened the door. The door was opened by Ahmad. We watch a movie. We watch a movie. A movie was watched by us. A movie was watched by us. The teacher praised the student. The teacher praised the student. The student was praised by the teacher. The student was praised by the. He washed the car. He washed the car. The car was washed by him. The car was washed by him. Sarah cooked food. Sarah cooked food. Food was cooked by Sarah. Food was cooked by Sarah. The boys flew a kite. A kite was flown by the boys. A kite was flown by the boys. I completed the work. I completed the work. The work was completed by me. The work was completed by me. They built a bridge. They built a bridge. A bridge was built by them. A bridge was built by them. He bought a book. He bought a book. A book was bought by him. A book was bought by him. She sang a song. She sang a song. A song was sung by her. A song was sung by her. The farmer grew. The farmer grew wheat. The farmer grew wheat. Wheat was grown by the farmer. Wheat was grown by the farmer. We painted the wall. We painted the wall. The wall was painted by us. The wall was painted by us. The police caught the thief. The thief was caught by the police. The thief was caught by the police. They planted trees. They planted trees. Trees were planted by them. Trees were planted by them. She answered the question. She answered the question. The question was answered by her. The question was answered by her. The child broke the window. The child broke the window. The window was broken by the child. The window was broken by the child. So this was the example. You should notice the 20 example. Maybe you will understand. You can more sentences by this way. See you then by next video. The next video will coming in Urdu, inshallah. See you then. Take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye.